In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove YouTube link from your Facebook profile. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open our Facebook app on an iPhone or on an Android. The process is the same. And then, first of all, we need to head over to our Facebook profile page. To do that, tap right here at your profile picture. And then down below, we can easily find the details section. If we tap right here at the first link, it will show us all the links associated with our Facebook profile. Here is my YouTube link, my TikTok link, Snapchat link, and a website. Then, if you would like to edit these links, we need to tap down below here at Edit Links, and on the next step, we'll be able to add or remove existing links. To remove a link, all we have to do is just hit Add Remove button underneath. I'm gonna show it from the beginning. I think you got the point. You need to tap right here, Add Remove, just under the link you would like to delete. And that's how we can easily remove it. Just don't forget to tap Add Save to apply the changes, and basically, guys, that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.